So I'm here today with one of the founders of one of our favorite makeup lines, Kirsten, and I'm gonna let Kirsten tell us how to pronounce her brand name, which we always get a little tongue twisted with. Kirsten
Kjaer Weis.
Like a Kir Royale.
Exactly, that's always my sort of comparison. So just think about Kir Royale. I'm Danish.
Yep.
I've lived in New York City the past, 20 years at this point. I grew up on a farm, and at the time when I was younger, I couldn't get out of there fast enough going to the big cities. Now it's kind of a little bit reversed. Just really having a huge longing for nature again. So I try and get out every weekend.
What inspired you to start a makeup line?
My background is as a makeup artist, and being out in the field and seeing clearly there was a need, for an alternative to the conventional brands that wasn't as harsh.
What was the first product that you launched the brand with?
I actually launched with 3. I launched with the cream blush, lip tints, and eyeshadows. I wanted something fun, and so having something that was very easy, sort of tangible color-wise, and then, just some favorite products of my own as well. Cream blushes especially, lip tints.
Awesome. I'm wearing the cream blush, I love it.
Yes, it's lovely. Nice little glow.
Thank you. The last question I have for you is, if you were to describe your brand in 3 words, or if you were to want customers to think about your brand in 3 words, what would those words be?
That would be certified organic. That's 2, I guess. But then it would be
That's okay. 3 words or less, really. Okay.
And luxury.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, those are beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you, really.
And for doing what you do. It's so important.
Thank you. Likewise, I would say to you, I wouldn't have a place to sell if it wasn't like an incredible store like yours.
We love partners like you, so thank you.
Thank you.